Okay guys, here we go with the March 11th Monday update. All of the alliums, except one lot which I'll show you in a minute, all of them are outside now. So I probably won't bother showing you an update on these in future. Ready to be planted out, most of them. Okay, the Vitapod in the shed. Second layer on now. And what I do, I leave the front loose, held on with just a little raw plug insert thingy, and just pop the front off when I want to water it. So let's put that over there a second there. It saves having to mess around with the lid and the light all the time to get in there. Right then, so the chilli's doing well, very well. The hot ones, they're looking really good. I've brought a few over there out of the greenhouse because they were looking a bit tired, but they're picking up already, look. So right, in the germies, they're all right. Aubergines and paprika going well. At the back in the Agrolang plug trainer. Nothing from the dwarf, what are they called? Dwarf X tomatoes. The golden hour are germinating, and the matador shallots are coming on well. Let's turn this one round a bit. He's a bit lopsided at the moment. Lovely side shoots coming on that one as well. Cool. Okay, in the greenhouse under the Spider Farmer SF1000, chilli's doing well. The leaves do look a bit yellow, but one or two are. But I'm not too concerned about it at the moment. But they're not yellow. It's the light more than anything. I'm sure it is. If I turn the light off, see, they're not so yellowish now, are they? They look like normal leaves. Weird. Right then, let's move around a bit. Spuds, chitin, lemongrass. Now here's the alliums I'm keeping in here for a while because they're in this polystyrene box with no drainage, so I don't want to leave them outside because they will flood. So that's the autumn mammoth leek and the musselburghs. Plenty of room now, all the other alliums have gone. There's some of the pluggy, what do you call them, Jiffy 7 plugs of the herb tea mix. The other chillies, they're doing very well as well, and a few of the sweet peppers. Brilliant. Moving around under the SF600, that's the spinach with the root grow mycorrhizal. The other one, the other spinach python, that's already been planted out in the Vitapod. And look, there's a cosmos that's germinated already, 3 days. Brilliant. That's in the Botanian mini greenhouse. Now this is the orange balm, and you can see it. Let me put it down easier. It's rooting. Changing the water every couple of days, but it doesn't have to get cloudy quickly. So yeah, I've taken a second load of those. And look at this. Cape gooseberries, first sowing. 28 days later they germinated. 4 weeks. Last year it was 4 days, and the second lot haven't germinated yet, and they're in really warm conditions in the on top of the fish tank. So here's the other chillies under the SF600 Spider Farmer, and on top and under the SF600 sweet peas. Look at this. I tell you what, I'm gonna pick this up a minute. Yes, that's 100% germination in there. I'll turn these round now and again. They lean a little bit, but there's no real need to, you know. They're right under the light. And the other sweet pea seeds from Nia, there. One or two not fired, but that's the... Oh, one not... Only one? Yeah, that's good. I'll tell you what, it's got to have been those Thompson & Morgan seeds. I think I'll avoid them like the plague in future. And there's the rest of the sweet peppers. I'll tell you what, there's a sweet pea in there, I can't believe it. Oh dear me. I didn't notice that before. Did I must have transplanted those on the same day I was playing around with the sweet peas. Anyway, ginger yet to show much on the surface, but underneath it's playing away nicely. And there's a second lot of orange balm. A little bit of sage in there as well. Only done a day ago, so nothing there yet. I think that's about it in here. A little bit to see upstairs now, so off we go. And here we are upstairs in the Vitapod, lid off, temperature 22 degrees, and these are all the herbal tea Jiffy 7 plugs I did the other day. 3 days, and the ones that are germinating are all, I believe, basil, except for this one here, these little tiny dusty ones on top, that's bergamot. I think that's it in here. Yeah. Oh, there's a little bit going on there. Yeah. So I look at these every day, make a note of when they germinated, so I know when to sow the next lot. You know, these, no need to plan in with the basil because it's 3 days, but if whatever this is takes 2 weeks and it's still not germinating, I'll sow some more, you know what I mean? Well, that's it up here, guys. Well, that's the end of Seedy Monday. Monday seedling update, but as promised, I've got to get on with some more sowings, but as promised in the last video, free seed giveaway, vegetable gift bag, kindly donated by Premier Seeds Direct. And there's some great seeds in here, I tell you, 15 different varieties. Oh, there we are. Not going to read all them, I'm going to read them from the little book you get with it. So, 15 varieties, aubergine moneymaker, beetroot bolt hardy, broccoli purple sprouting. Oh, fingers gone all funny here. Carrot rainbow mix, courgette black beauty, cucumber melon. I love cucumber melons. I know a lot of people don't like them, but they grow them wrong. When you grow cucumber melons, don't give them their own space. Let them twine up amongst any other plant. They work better that way. Cucumber Beth Alpha, dwarf bean tender green, lettuce gourmet, pepper sweet Asti yellow, radish French breakfast 2, spring onion lilia, Swiss chard rainbow mix, everyone's favourite, tomato sun gold F1, and tomato sweet million. Nice little Hessian bag, and it all comes in right. It's going to have to be UK only for the giveaway. Sorry, because the postage is just extortionate overseas. All I need is a comment in this video, comment below. What should we say? Just Premier Seeds Direct will do. So was it now, Monday the 11th? So we'll do the draw after the show on Monday the 18th. Thanks once again, Premier Seeds Direct. Well done, guys. And don't forget, leave your comment, Premier Seeds Direct. That's it for now, guys. Look after yourselves, take care, and I'll catch you on the next video.